So in this task, first we will create one ad hoc item under deduction, and then we will reset back our payroll process. But why we don't need to apply to employee maintenance. Like previously under fixed deduction, we have applied under employee maintenance. Then we only need to go to the payroll process and then reset the payroll process. But for this one, it's different. For this one, we will use a ad hoc payroll item to set for the deduction and then reset from the ad hoc. So first, please go back to payroll management and select ad hoc payroll item. Then under this payroll ad hoc item, please make sure that you select it's the month of April. So by default, it will be on April because January, February, March, this one we already import the data of Y2D transaction. And then you must choose the employee first, which is Iron Man. Then you have to untick for Tom Cruise. After that, you select for deduction. Click on deduction and then add new row. So under this add new row, the payroll type we select is month end. There's no description need to apply, and the deduction we choose is compensation of negligence, and the amount is 150 ringgit. And also there's no EPF tax, so EIS and HRDF need to pay for this deduction. And then we click on save. So we have created one deduction under ad hoc payroll item. So now we have to go back to process payroll. And under the process payroll, we have to click on edit. Then we go back to detail. So we assume just now we already have made amendment or changes after we have done process the payroll. Then so that what we need to do now, we have to click on reset, because by default you will see on the deduction here still 50 ringgit, which is only involve the club fees 50 ringgit of deduction. I will click on again. You will see club fee, employee club. So this one I close first, then click on reset again. Are you sure you want to reset the payroll for employee Iron Man? Click on yes. So the amount should be 200 of deduction. So until you mention reset successfully, click on continue. So you will see deduction already 200 ringgit. So click on the amount. You will see under this deduction already have, wait for a while, they have compensation of negligence and also for the club fee. So we click on close. Then once you're done, you click on back. So there's two method or two types of deduction. One is fixed deduction, which is you stated the amount on the formula and you apply to the employee maintenance, and the second one is a variable deduction, means you don't need to set on the amounts when you create the deduction. You just come to the ad hoc payroll item, just add one ad hoc payroll item, and then you can set the amounts under ad hoc. Then you go back to the process payroll and reset back the process payroll. So we have done for chapter 9.